Hi, welcome to Zia Auto. My name is Alondra, and today we'll be talking about the 2010 Dodge Ram 2500 Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. This Cummins turbo diesel comes with impressive hauling capability, built-in towing mirrors. As you can see here, once you turn them like this, you can actually turn them and see more of a back view of what you're towing or hauling. If you have a trailer, whatever the case may be. As you can see, it has a running boards, so it makes it easier for you to get in and out. And as we take a look at the back, it has bed liners to protect the bed, and it has a lock-in tailgate. Let's take a look at the inside. As you can see, the interior is nice and clean. It has an upgraded JVC with a Bluetooth stereo. It has a built-in trailer brake, so it's easy for you to haul your trailers. Easy to use 4-wheel drive. Schedule your appointment today to see the rest of the awesome features this truck has. Remember, when buying from Zia Auto, every car has an 18-page inspection. All of our cars are serviced in a state-of-the-art service center that's NAPA certified, AAA recommended, and Costco approved. We have over 100 cars in the inventory to choose from and easy financing options. Let us show you how easy it is to buy a car today.